Hey friends, it's Mike over here at Royal Enfield Motorcycles, and I'm taking you out to the parking lot because this bike that we're going to check out right now has such a beautiful paint job. It really needs to be appreciated out in the sun. This is a 2019 Harley-Davidson Electra Limited CVO. Really cool looking bike. Hopefully this video does the paint job justice because it's gorgeous. This is called Auburn Sunglow in Black Hole with rich bourbon. It's just a beautiful setup. The previous owner to this motorcycle took immaculate care of it and was kind enough to provide us with the bulk of the service records for this machine. Recently had the 40,000 mile service done on it, and brakes were bled at that time. That was about 300 miles ago. Plenty of rubber, good tread on these tires. The battery was replaced back in May as well. So this was a road tripper. It spent some time picking up some highway miles, but it doesn't look like it. They took great care of it. There's even still some warranty left on this motorcycle from the previous owner that does transfer to the new rider. A couple of nice things have been done to it. Some little bit taller bars, not crazy tall, about 10-inch bars, so they're just a little bit higher than stock. It has all the cool CVO stuff, all the chrome, the heated grips. Has 43,279 miles. Previous owner also had installed from Harley-Davidson this fan back here to help cool the rear cylinder, and a little bit of a lowering linkage back there in the rear suspension as well. All that stuff is noted in the service records that we have been provided from the local Harley shop. Reinhardt exhaust sound pretty good. A little bit of rumble. It's a beautiful bike. That's the 2019 Harley-Davidson CVO Electra Limited.